Good day, I am Jess. So, we'll be starting our season 1 of PHP programming. Okay? So, first things first, kailangan nating malaman paano mag-install ng PHP, of course. So, may mga iba't ibang version ng PHP. May XAMPP, okay? May WAMP in terms of server. Okay? So, dito sa ating season 1, we'll be using XAMPP. Okay? So let's get started. Okay. So first we're gonna download. Okay. We're gonna download this one from. Okay. So we're gonna download the installer sa URL na to. Okay. Apache friends.org/download.html. So you have the option to choose whether updated yung mismong file. So right now, yung pinaka-updated na PHP is PHP 8.0.9. So pag itong gusto mo or itong mas lower version 7.4, then you have the option. So in my demo right now, i-choose ko yung download 64-bit ng 8.0. Pag Linux naman ang gagamitin mo, so sa baba naman. Okay? Pag Mac naman, ayan, meron din. Okay? So, dito, gagamit tayo using Windows 10 kasi yun nga yung demo natin ngayon. I-click nyo lang yan. For now, meron na ako. Okay? Under Downloads folder. This will consume at least 3 minutes to 4 minutes to download. So, for me, in my end, I'll just click this one. Okay, so we are starting right now the process. So XAMPP Windows 64, click yes. By the way, habang niluluto, I'm Jess. Okay, so I will be your trainer or professor for this module. It is basic PHP programming. Okay, we just wait for it. Okay, so there is a warning, so we just disregard with this one. Click OK. So click next, and then choose everything here by default. Okay, so make sure to take note of this one that yung XAMPP daw is naka-install sa C drive. Okay, there. So ang language na gagamitin natin is English. Next is we go click next lang, sige lang. Let's proceed. There, it's starting to process already. Okay, so we just wait for this one to finish. So this will take a minute, so I'll just stop the recording to save time. I'll just resume it once it's done. Okay, so we're back. So I think we're done. We just click finish here. There. Okay, so here is the XAMPP control panel. So we're gonna try to open the Apache server and then the Mysql. There. So Apache has an error. So this may be due to a block port missing dependencies. Okay, so let's try the Mysql. Okay, so we just click this one, allow access. So the MySQL is using 3306. Okay, so we open this one. It's running already, the MySQL. So go to admin. So the moment you click admin, you will be redirected to localhost php myadmin. Okay, so this there is an error. So HTTP error 404.0. So we're gonna fix this one up on the spot. So what we're gonna do now is go to configuration setting from the XAMPP control panel. So let's start with the Apache. So we go to config. Okay, so on the config, we're gonna go to Apache HTTPD. Okay, so we just change something here, and then look for the call this, look for a keyword 80 and then change it to 8080 if ever you see it. So listen 8080. So here, so let's say you're gonna change this one to, instead of having 80, you're gonna put up here 80 and then listen 80 here. Okay, so next we're gonna do is we just click file and then save. Okay, there, so it's been saved already. Now we're gonna proceed updating the default port setting on the http ssl.config file. So it's located here. This is the SSL. So we're gonna now it's time to move on the second file. So to do so, we're gonna go through this one and then look for a keyword of 443 here, and then change it to, instead of 443, set it up to 4433. Okay, scroll it down slowly here. Okay, here, so here is the lane. So we're gonna update this one to 43. There you are. Okay, so next, search the file for the next instance of 443. Okay, so we're gonna search for it. So I'm gonna check it first to avoid error. Alt F 443. There, gonna put it here, 443 here. Find next. There, 443. Okay, so once done, I think we're done with this one. We adjusted some parameter here. Gonna save it here. Okay, so we're gonna run again the Apache. So the Apache right now, it's running. So it's because we have already reconfigured the port. So instead of using 80, I'm using 8080. So on the other end of the SSL, I'm using 443 instead of 443. Okay, so we're done with Apache. Okay, next is the error of MySQL. So let's say gonna start MySQL here. Okay, so it's running under 3306. Okay, so I just try to open this admin here. So there is an error. Okay, so this is the error, HTTP error 404 not found. So we're gonna clear this out. Wait for it. Okay, so here is the error. So what we're gonna do here is we change this link. So there is a link here. We're requesting for HTTP localhost 80. So a while ago we have updated this one. So gonna copy this out and then change something here afterwards. Control V, and then change this one from 80 to 8080. Okay, so gonna run it, and there you are. So this is the PHP MySQL database. So all the services that we require is here already. Okay, so it's working already. Next is we're gonna we're gonna run the a sample code for PHP. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the notepad here, notepad plus plus. Okay, there. So commercial break. So if you want to learn some some um, some module, additional module for IT, so we're open with it under iMerge. So you can message me anytime. So here gonna open a new one. Okay, so I'll be using, let's say I want to write a code snippet. Let's say I want to say something. Okay, so demo purposes, I just want to check if the PHP is working correctly on this demo file, and then save as. Okay, so we're gonna save this one as not a normal text file. Okay, so gonna click this all file here, and then demo.php. Okay, so we're gonna put this demo.php file on a specific folder under XAMPP, and then put it on the htdocs. Okay, so all the files that we want to view on the XAMPP, we're gonna put it here on the htdocs. Okay, so gonna save it here. So just check something first. Is there any option here to select all files? Okay, so click save. There. So this is read. The system is reading this one as PHP already. Okay, so I'll check this one. Okay, so on drive C, go to XAMPP. Okay, on drive C, and then here, and then this is the page. Okay, so demo page. So we're gonna open this one on the here. So I'll put it here, demo .php. So hope this works. Okay, so there is an error, so we're gonna fix this up again. Okay, so we're gonna try to fix this up. So what we're gonna do is go back to notepad and then examine the file. So example, I'll be going to notepad now. So let's say a while ago I think I did a mess, so I forgot to add PHP here. Okay, so gonna save this one. Okay, file, save as, same thing a while ago. You just wait for this one to finish, and then save this one. Let's say final demo. Okay, so I'll name this one to PHP hypertext preprocessor file. So click save. Okay, so with the final demo, gonna add it up here. Okay, so there is syntax error. So on this one, this is a good thing. It's because this denotes that the file has already been read by the notepad entering the XAMPP server. Okay, so drives line 2 syntax error and unexpected identifier. Okay, so gonna fix this up. gonna go to that file. Okay, so here is the file. I created it. Okay, so gonna name this one final demo2.php. Okay, so echo without space and then string literal. Under string literal is the group of letters or words, two words, hello everyone. Okay, so gonna save this one as PHP, and then once done, I'll refresh the file. So the file is the final demo2. Okay, so refresh there. So it's working already. It's final demo2. Okay, so it's located on HTTP docs of XAMPP. So under 8080 port localhost. So everything is fine. So I guess we're finished on the installation. So kung meron kayong tanong kahit konti, you can ask me. Okay, so on my Facebook page, Prof Dale, and then we have also a paid training center, iMerge IT Consultancy. I own this one, and then if you have questions or gusto nyo mag-enroll, so you can ping me up anytime. Okay, so you can also ask me free as well. So hope you learned something on how to install PHP. So hindi pa to tapos, simula pa lang to. And hope you enjoy on the next following training. So I will see to it na marami kayong matututunan from debugging up to the point na ayos lahat. Okay? So thank you and good day.